rifles!
$1,500, $2,000. $1 million once. $14,000 it is. $1 million twice. $44,500. Gone. 47 and a half. Fair warning, it is selling at $1 million. So, $1 million.
Hello, my name is Malcolm McGregor. I'm a special consultant here at James D. Julia Auction Company. I also do cataloging. My specialty is British, European, and American sporting guns. And we have some fantastic pieces in the next presentation and auction, and I'd like to share some of them with you. One of these rifles is a massive 21-pound 4-bore double by Holland and Holland, number 2 rifle of a pair made in 1884. For a heavy rifle, it balances surprisingly well with its 24-inch Damascus barrels. Its large Jones underlever action is engraved with interesting, finely detailed but rather naive scenes of big game, including elephant, hippo, tiger, and bear. A portrait of a lion is on the top of the action. The rifle is stocked in well-figured European walnut and has the Nizam's crest engraved on a large gold oval mounted in the cheekpiece. This magnificent rifle is housed in its original oak and leather case and is accompanied by most of its original accessories, semi-French fitted in a tan Morocco leather lined interior. These accessories include a 4-bore bullet mold, ebony handled turn screws and reloading tools, as well as cleaning equipment. The rifle remains in remarkable original condition, retaining nearly all of its barrel brown and case hardening color. This is one of the finest large-bore double rifles ever made. It is lot number 2354 and is estimated at $80,000 to $120,000.